Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gaurav Chamle. I am a neurosurgeon basically from Hyderabad. So I work in this field of endoscopy since last 4 years. GHA Global Healthcare Academy uh, introduced us to the interlaminar first cadaver international workshop, and then I am glad to be a part of this as a faculty. Here they have made a very excellent platform for the new budding surgeons, where they will continue this process of teaching from seniors to juniors and carry our knowledge to the juniors. So basically, we are here for a one-day course of interlaminar endoscopy, where we will demonstrate on the cadaver, and live hands-on will be there for students who are aspiring in the field of spine endoscopy. It is a very neatly and nicely organized program by the GHA. All the facilities are excellent. Faculties, rest of the faculties are very nice, and I wish all the best of luck for the future young budding surgeons. And please take more of a spine endoscopy as a career. Thank you.